Come on, we need to get on. We need to get on.
Someone drive.
I'm driving.
Why do you seriously sound like a man? You're a woman.
I don't know.
It's pretty weird. This world is messed up. Okay, come on. We need to try and hop into cars. Ah, guys, I fell off. Stop the boat! Stop the boat!
Stop the boat!
Mate, keep driving. Or whatever. Just keep going. Just keep going. There's another boat.
I found another better boat. I'm gonna get in it.
Oh, God. No! Luke is dead, I think.
Probably.
Luke, you alive? God, he's dead. Don't worry, we have reinforcements coming in.
Okay,
Hop in.
get
I see him, I see him.
I'm coming.
Wait, what's your name again?
John.
John. Hop on, John.
Go, go, go.
It's kind of weird knowing that we just let this man in.
No, because I call for reinforcements.
Okay.
Well, when someone dies, we always have reinforcements for the ready.
Let me disable this plane.
Okay.
Sure.
Hop out. Come on.
Eh.
Come on, guys, get out.
You were in my way.
No, I wasn't.
Yeah, you were. It's either me shooting you.
Ow, I'm getting shot at. Oh no, I'm literally bleeding out.
Okay, guys, just get in the car and follow me. Luke, or
I'm
Jim.
getting in a car.
What is your name? John? Sorry, just get in the car and follow me.
I'm getting in a car. Alright.
What happened to that lady? I forgot her name. Wait, what's
I
your
think
name?
she got sniped.
Wait, what's her name though? Is she dead?
I don't know.
God, I think she's dead. Wait, I think she's back here.
Ow.
We got another reinforcement.
Did we?
Oh, yeah, he's over here.
Okay. I'm
Come
gonna
on up
hop.
here.
Gonna hop in this car.
Okay.
Come on, let's get back to our warehouse.
Wait for me. I'm facing the car. But this is my car.
Oh, he's back here.
Follow me, guys.
Okay, wait, I need to go pick him up. Oh, okay, you're in the car. Wait, who are you? Are you a new guy?
Yeah.
Okay, what's your name?
Max. Oh.
Max. Jesus Christ. A lot of people. Am I the only one that can survive for actually long? Come on, let's go. Go on, John. Whoops. Keep driving.
Keep driving.
Whoa!
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 Like the car's about to break down.
Just keep going. Just keep going.
I lost control.
Yo, Luke!
I'll go back for him.
Okay, the police can't find us.
Get in. Jesus Christ.
Luke, do you copy,
Okay,
Luke?
get on.
God, our boss, Luke. Don't know why she's called Luke, but pretty sure she's dead because she's not answering. Okay, John, go lead the way. Come on, let's go.
Where are you?
Oh, sorry, I need to go very quick. Sorry,
We.
dude, I need your car a bit. This car's a bit destroyed.
Get out. Woo.
Yeah, thank you very much. At least we have a new car for our warehouse now. Stay there, we're coming down to you, John.
Oh no, my car broke down.
Cop in another one, that may help.
You gotta wait for him.
I don't have all day for this, we need to get back to Luke.
Come on, hurry up.
Okay, I put a GPS.
Okay, I have a map of what those guys are gonna do to this city. Remember those guys? They're gonna plant a bomb and destroy it. Yeah. Remember, watch out. Their blood. They're all I know is they're underground and they're blowing stuff underground. Remember, that guy when we were driving, he blew up, or was that not you? Oh no, that was the other dude. He just blew up. And that thing behind you blew up as well. That almost killed you. Hey, he's coming now. Let's go. Whoa! Oh! Oh!
Wait, what happened?
Oh!
Should I go back?
Here, get inside.
I got this car. I'll take this.
Okay.
What are you doing? Trying to kill me? Okay.
Come on, follow me.
Come on, lead the way, John.
What are you trying to do? Kill me?
Basically. Whoa! Oh, God! Oh!
Oh, I made it.
John, I need a ride.
I broke down.
I'm coming.
I forgot about that. That always happens. Oh, I'm annoyed. Do you want to fight? Yeah, I'll fight you. Come on, bring it on. Yeah.
911, please take the
Wait
nature
for
of your
me.
emergency.
I'm coming.
Now, better hurry. Hello, I need you to stay on the line.
Quick, get on.
Where are you?
Hurry.
You down here? This day is just gone worse. Okay, I'm coming. Can I even hop on? I can't hop on. Okay, I'll hop in this guy's car. Frick, he doesn't have a car. Okay, come on. We can run.
Wait, this hobo's trying to get over the bridge.
Or hobo.
Everybody, get on. Get on the bridge.
911, what's
Whoa!
your emergency?
Hey, listen.
Ah.
Somebody's shooting here. Yes, look, in public. Get
Whoa!
out of here.
Hello, are you still there? Hello?
What's going on? John, help! John!
No, my bike.
Come on.
Everybody, quick, get off. Quick.
Oh, I made it. Okay,
Wait!
close.
You look so ugly. Okay, come on, let's go.
That's nice.
Not you, that other dude.
Quick, up here. Wait, here's a car. Everybody, get in it.
Okay, who's gonna drive?
Me.
Why do I have to break
Okay,
that
I'll be in the
glass?
back.
Whoops.
Get out.
There's some water in this car and I just drank it. Let me park our car.
Ow.
Sorry about that.
Get in.
No! I hate you guys.
Ow, why are you shooting me? He's the one that moved it.
Sorry about that. Or I'll get you some bandages later.
Up you.
Oh, this is where I was staying that other time.
Damn, it's locked.
Here, I'll hack it.
We got
I
it.
got it. It's over here. It's right there where I hacked it from. I had to hack it
Can
from
you
my- Come
move,
on,
you
lad.
ugly pig?
Jesus. Yeah, you fat ass. Come on, quick, over here. Everybody get on. Fast.
Ah!
Why did we even go here?
Everybody jump on this. Jump in the water.
Where are we going?
Secret
That's
place.
what I asked earlier and no one listened to me.
Shut up!
No one likes you.
Okay.
Wait, is this your secret base up here or something?
Yeah, it's over here.
Pigs, I want to go to sleep because I haven't slept for like 2 whole days.
Alright, we're here.
Whoa.
This is it. Nice little place here. You can sleep here in the bushes. Or if you want, you can jump up here. Then sleep here.
Where?
Anywhere here.
I'll sleep on
I'm
the...
gonna try and get this.
Wait, we're more hidden here because the bad guy...
I'm gonna
is
try
their
and
base-
get this gate open.
Their base is somewhere over here.
I'm gonna go look for a vehicle.
Okay, I'm gonna go to sleep. See you guys tomorrow.
Okay. Bye.
Well, good night.